If you've been feeling anxious and it's causing you to have some trouble sleeping, then join me for this gentle restorative yoga flow that you can do before bed. All poses will be done lying down, and I do have one pillow with me. However, this is totally optional, so whenever you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and lie down on your back, feet out towards the edges of your mat, knees falling in. You could use your pillow here. Resting your hands wherever feels comfortable. And since this is a wind down flow, if you want to keep your eyes closed, you absolutely can. Starting to just come back to your breath here. So big breath in and out. Going at your own pace here, whatever feels good and restorative to you. And regardless of the type of day you had, whether it was really stressful, really busy, maybe you were really anxious, just taking some time here to breathe and start to wind down. And starting to invite some gentle movement. We will windshield wiper the knees, just dropping one side to the other. They don't have to come all the way down, just until you feel a little bit of stretch in your back. This is meant to be a gentle flow, so not using too much energy here. And finding some stillness. Go ahead and draw your right foot to your right hand, elbow to the inside of your knee. Left knee is just kind of flopped over as a counterweight for our half happy baby. You can either keep the left leg bent or you could stretch it out long. Stretching it out intensifies it, so just find what feels good. Again, this is meant to be really gentle and restorative. Bringing this over into a twist, so right leg crosses across the body. You can stretch that right arm out to the side, keeping both shoulders down on the mat. And letting that twist go, hugging the right knee back in, just giving it a little gentle squeeze, maybe draw some circles if that feels good on your hip. Switching directions. Now we will take a reclined pigeon pose, so bring your left foot flat to the mat, right ankle over your left knee. Start to press that right knee away from you. You could either hold here or you could reach through and grab onto your left leg, pulling it in for a gentle stretch. One more breath here. And letting this go, maybe windshield wiper the knees again, just to release. We will take these same poses on the other side, starting with that half happy baby, grabbing the right foot, or sorry, the left foot with the left hand, elbows to the inside of the knee. Right leg is just a little bit of a counterbalance here, keeping it bent, or again straightening if you did on the other side, if that feels good here. And on your next exhale, we will carry this over to a twist, twisting that leg across the body. Right leg can reach out, and keeping both shoulders in contact with the mat. Your knee does not have to come down and touch the ground, just hovering is perfectly fine. Again, we're not trying to use too much energy here. This is meant to wind down and relax before bed, especially after a very stressful day. Letting that go, hugging the left knee in towards the body. Maybe finding some little circles with the knee if you did on the other side. Switching directions here. And finding a reclined pigeon pose. So bring that the right foot flat to the mat. Left ankle over the right knee, either holding here or dropping it in towards you. One more big breath here. And exhale. Letting that go. Maybe windshield wiper the knees again. And we'll take one last pose before coming into a really short Shavasana. Take a lying tree pose, so extend the right leg out. Left foot, it comes to the inner thigh on your right leg. Hands could stay down at your belly, down by your side, or stretch up overhead. Full body stretch here. And switching sides, so straighten the left leg, right leg bends, right foot comes to the inner thigh on your left leg, finding whatever arm variation works for you. We will come into our final resting pose, Shavasana. You could extend your legs out long. Maybe knees bent in towards each other the way we started class. Just find whatever feels good. And if you're doing this in bed, you could even turn this video off and head right to sleep. Whatever works for you today. And this is where I will leave you, so go ahead and take Shavasana or whatever else it is that you need to wind down and feel good for bed. And I will see you again on the mat very soon.